What's up, you guys? So my current value is at $19,891. I've gained $1,868, and then earned dividends is at $98. So I'm close to that $20,000 mark. Maybe next week I'll be there. Who knows? We'll see. As far as buys for tomorrow, I have a buy in Verizon. Just adding. This is a starting position, so I'm adding $20 into it. I'm buying around $44. And then as far as the past few days, this week, I was buying Kroger. I bought Kroger around $46, $47. It's still around that area, so it's a good ad right there. SCHD 74, 72 area is a good buy right there. And then I added some stag, I believe, as well. That was this morning. I added around $31 and $33. That's a dividend pair, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as buys this week. I'm still adding 300 every week. Market could drop down, so I also did sell some of my Amazon position because I was up so much. I sold about $400, just small. I don't think it shows here. Oh yeah, because I did this morning. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. Just dollar cost averaging, little by little, and yeah, just added a Verizon pretty much a starter position there. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, let me know and comment down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.